So this picture will be shown only for 30 seconds over there in actual SSB. Your time starts now. This is the picture. Start writing. Timer, pens down, pens down, pens down. Okay, fine. So submit your seats. Hurry up. Submit your seats. Give it to me. Collect kar lo. Submit your seats. Now I will give you 5 minutes to revise for narration part. I hope you are aware of that what you have written in it. Are you aware of it? Yes. So I will give you 5 minutes to revise whatever you have written in your answer sheet. Okay, after that we will go for narration part. So in your actual SSB, they will just take your seats. Okay. After that, they will send you out of the hall at least for 5 to 10 minutes for washroom and all. So there, your colleague, your friend, your neighbor can ask you that what you have written in your answer sheet, what was your theme, what story you have written. So please, कोई भी आपके कितने भी क्लोज हो, आपका भाई हो, कोई भी हो, he or she is your competitor over there, right? Do not tell anything to anyone. किसी को कुछ नहीं बताना है, ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपकी स्टोरी सुन के आपका सिलेक्शन खा सकता है, खा जाएगी. क्योंकि सपोज उन्होंने, ठीक है, उनसे आपने स्टोरी पूछ ली, आपको पता चल गया, आपने कहानी बदल दी, आपको लगा उसकी स्टोरी अच्छी है, आपने नरेशन में सुना दी, उनका तो गेम खत्म ना. इसलिए अपनी कहानी किसी को कुछ नहीं बतानी. कोई भी बाहर पूछे, यार बस लिख दी, लेट्स सी इन द नरेशन पार्ट. सिंपल. जब आप बाहर हो गए 5 से 10 मिनट के लिए, रिमेंबर गाइज, you have to recall that story, that narration part at least for how many times? 3 into 3. 3 का कॉम्बिनेशन 3 बार बनाना है, 9 बार, कम से कम 9 बार, 9 से 10 बार वो आपने ब्रेन में रिकॉल करनी है, जो भी लिखा है जैसे बोलना है. जेंटलमैन, इन द पिक्चर आई हैव परसीव्ड 2 कैरेक्टर्स, ठीक है, 1 male 1 female. Their age group was around 30 to 40 and both were in positive mood. My story goes like this, ऐसे such and such. ऐसे करके एग्जैक्ट आपको 9 से 10 बार बाहर खड़े होकर अपने ब्रेन में रिवाइज करनी है, ताकि अब आप क्या कर रहे हो, अपने कॉन्शियस ब्रेन से सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन को 9 बार कमांड दे दिया, 3 into 3 टाइम्स, 9 से 10 बार कमांड दे दिया. जब वहां आप चेयर पर बैठोगे तो सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन वापस से जो आपने इनपुट दिया था वो आउटपुट में अपना बड़बड़ कमांड देता चला जाएगा. आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जब वहां आप बैठे होते हो, 3 असेसर्स यहां होंगे, एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एक जीटीओ और एक इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर. आप फंबल करोगे, पैनिक करोगे, प्रेशर में आओगे, लेकिन आपका सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन कभी भी पैनिक में, प्रेशर में नहीं आता. ठीक है, वो अपने आप आपको आउटपुट दे देगा. आई विल गिव यू 5 मिनट्स. यू कैन रिवाइज एंड यू कैन रिकॉल. इफ यू वांट टू गो आउट टू रिवाइज, यू कैन गो आउट, यू कैन रिवाइज इट. Wherever you want to go, whatever you want to do, I will give only 5 minutes. ठीक है? And for that, your time starts now.
Gentlemen, as I perceive 2 characters in the story. One is male and another is female. Both are in positive mood. One, their age around 16 and 14. One day his father, Mohan is a student, lives in village with his family. One day his father working on construction site get injured by some heat. Then he decided to work instead of his father.
Jai Hind everyone. In the given picture, I have perceived 2 characters, one male and one female, and they both are in positive mood, and their age group is 19 to 21. The story is the Mayank, 21 years old boy, village boy. He went to work in the near construction site with his sister Seema. The Mayank was only eldest and the only earning person in the family. So they went to earn money because he wanted her her.
Everyone, in this picture, I perceive there are two characters. Mood is positive and is around 18 to 19 year old. Raman is a farmer. He is working in their field. When one day their sister is come in the field, then she asks, "What are you doing?" The Raman said that I am collecting this and I throw this and I pulled some plant that is providing a good fertility for our next generation and next plant. Then he collect the sands and he pulled out sand throw outsides and he pulled some like that dhancha and also many types of plant that is providing a good fertility for our next our upcoming plants. And he work and next year when they see their plant, then its productivity is very good and it's collect a good harvest. Thank you.
एक लड़का है और एक लड़की है। लड़के का नाम मोहन है, उसकी उम्र 20 साल है, और लड़की का नाम सीमा है, उसकी उम्र 21 साल है। वो दोनों डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्यों ना हमें पेड़ पौधे लगाए जाएं, जिससे कि हमारा वातावरण अच्छा रहेगा और हमें हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए भी ये अच्छा होगा। और वो दोनों इस चीज़ को डिसाइड कर लेते हैं और कुछ समय बाद वो पौधे लगा देते हैं और दोनों खुश हो जाते हैं।
Jai Hind everyone. In the given picture, I have perceived two characters, Rahul and Radha, and both are of the age group of 19 to 16. So my story goes like this: Rahul 18 and Radha 16, both are siblings living in their ancestral village and in their ancestral house. Their house goes old and want renovation. So they put one day when the mason was on holiday, the climate suddenly changed and the rain starts. So seeing his father collecting and storing the bajri and cement which was stored outside of their house, they shifted the cement and bajri outside to the inside of their house so that it doesn't get wasted and preserve it. So they helped their father, and after shifting, their father got pride and quite.
As many of us perceive two characters, so we will take two characters. One is male and another is female. Now we will discuss the age group of them.
I guess they both were child, and I think that their age group will be 11 to 12.
Yes, gentlemen, and as we see in this picture, so they are working in a field. So we say that they are their background is a farmer and they are working in the field in their village.
As many of us say that the age group is between 19 to 20. Now we will discuss the theme of the story. So our theme is preparing a ground or growing some seeds or something.
Okay, fine. Got your points. I think you have reached to a common consensus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. All the best.